that as Raila champions issues that affect the Africa continent, Kenya is part and parcel of what he shall be championing. So we are sure that as he moves across the continent, Kenya is also a beneficiary. The second aspect of it, from a Kenyan perspective, we must look at it also as a national interest. This is not a localized issue. It's not a village challenge. This is a national interest for the people of Kenya as they prepare to offer leadership to the African continent. And as I said, we see an embodiment of those national interests in Raila's candidacy.
Thank you. Well, Kenya is part of Africa. So what Kenya is going to get is equivalent to what the rest of Africa is going to get.